Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Experience industrial-grade precision with the E10 Wolf Digital Tire Pressure Gauge, a two-pack powerhouse calibrated to ANSI B40.7 Grade 2A for consistent, reliable readings from 3 to 200 psi. Whether your tire pressure is below 12 psi or soaring above 140 psi, this gauge delivers uncompromised accuracy. Equipped with a built-in AI chip featuring thermal compensation, it remains dependable in both extreme cold and intense heat, ensuring optimal performance under any conditions. Designed to measure pressure for all types of vehicles, its replaceable AAA batteries extend its lifespan, while the integrated LED light illuminates dark areas for easy reading. Engineered for durability, even if run over by a car, the E10 Wolf tire gauge continues to work flawlessly, making it an indispensable tool for maintaining tire safety. Transform your engine tuning experience with the KT60 timing light, a state-of-the-art tool that combines precision digital readouts with an ultra-clear LED display to make ignition timing adjustments effortless. Say goodbye to guesswork, as the KT60 delivers critical diagnostic data with 10,000 RPM precision and an adjustable advance range from 0 to 90 degrees, ensuring optimal performance, fuel economy, and long engine life. Proper timing prevents issues like hard starting, power loss, and rough idling that can lead to costly repairs. The sliding sensor clamp secures onto the #1 spark plug wire while keeping the pickup safely away from hot components. Designed for classic cars, motorcycles, boats, farm machinery, and all 2- and 4-stroke engines with 9 to 16 volts ignition systems, this timing light offers broad compatibility. Intuitive red and black sensor clamps and built-in overload protection shield your battery and equipment for safe, worry-free operation, making the KT60 timing light the smart choice for both enthusiasts and professional mechanics. Unleash your off-road lighting potential with our robust LED light bar mounting brackets, expertly crafted from high-strength aluminum alloy for a secure, damage-free installation. These brackets fix your LED light bar firmly onto tubes, elevating it to avoid scratches during driving, while high-quality rubber inserts absorb vibrations to prevent scraping against your bull bar. Designed for universal compatibility, they accommodate tubes from 1 inch to 2 inch in diameter, ideal for mounting Nightlight off-road LED light bars on roof racks, roll cages, or head racks for ATVs, UTVs, and trucks. The pre-drilled holes enable additional lighting without extra drilling, and the included Allen hex key ensures a swift, hassle-free setup. This two-piece set delivers durability, versatility, and ease of use for your most challenging adventures. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Enhance your vehicle's finish with the ultimate ceramic coating polishing compound, designed to quickly fill in swirls, light scratches, and minor imperfections in one easy step, delivering a deep, glossy, black finish. Transform your vehicle's appearance by enhancing the depth and shine of the color, giving dark-colored vehicles a luxurious, showroom-quality look. Infused with advanced ceramic technology, this polishing compound provides long-lasting protection by repelling water and road contaminants, keeping your car cleaner for longer with less maintenance. Versatile in use, this product works great whether applied by hand or with a polishing machine. For added maintenance and protection, check out Turtle Wax's Hybrid Solution Ceramic Acrylic Black Spray Wax, which has a fresh tropical fruit scent to really upgrade the feel. Upgrade your towing setup with Multi-Tow, a revolutionary wiring solution designed to simplify and customize your vehicle to trailer connection. Pre-wired for quick and effortless installation, this Multi-Tow adapter provides multiple towing options from one connector, eliminating guesswork and frustration from trailer wiring. Its flexible wiring design offers versatile installation options, ensuring a perfect fit for your unique configuration. The kit includes a mounting bracket and all necessary hardware for secure attachment to your vehicle bumper, giving you a reliable, professional-grade installation in minutes. Experience a streamlined, customized wiring system that delivers hassle-free towing every time, so you can focus on your journey with confidence. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Elevate your electrical safety with our advanced 12-volt fuse block featuring a built-in ground bus kit, meticulously engineered for immediate fault detection and streamlined wiring organization. A red LED warning light instantly illuminates when a fuse blows, ensuring you can quickly pinpoint and replace faulty components. Constructed from eco-friendly, fire-resistant PBT material, this fuse box meets rigorous standards with high mechanical strength, excellent insulation, and superior heat and flame resistance, minimizing risks of fracture, deformation, combustion, or short circuits. With 6 dedicated fuse slots and 6 ground locations, and a robust capacity of 100 watts, it's perfectly suited for everything from expansive land-based lighting setups to electric window installations. Trust this reliable fuse block to protect your hard work and maintain a clean, organized wiring system. Shield your car's interior from the harsh summer sun with AutoVeer's Windshield sunshade, a must-have accessory designed to block harmful UV rays and keep your cabin cool and protected. Crafted to fit a wide range of vehicles, from sedans to SUVs, it provides full coverage for your windshield or front window, acting as a reliable barrier against heat and glare. Made with premium reflective materials, this sunshade folds up effortlessly for convenient storage when not in use, yet pops open securely to deliver instant protection. Its lightweight design and easy-to-secure mechanism make installation a breeze, ensuring that your car stays cooler and your interior remains free from fading and cracking. Ideal for hot weather, AutoVeer's sunshade is the perfect solution for any driver seeking comfort, durability, and peace of mind on the road. Upgrade your car organization with our innovative car purse hook, expertly engineered to keep your belongings secure and your interior clutter-free. Designed to hang shopping bags, clothes, handbags, and wallets, this versatile hook ensures that items stay off your car seat and floor, preventing spills and scattered debris. Crafted from high-quality alloy, it offers exceptional durability, withstanding up to 40 pounds without bending or deformation. The hook features an interior silicone ring on the headrest rod for a stable, non-slip, and silent installation, while its sleek 17% chamfered, hollow design with 360 degrees rotation allows for easy concealment when not in use. Suitable for headrest rods with diameters from 0.47 inches to 0.59 inch, installation is a breeze. Simply remove the headrest, attach the hook, then reinsert the headrest for permanent convenience. Each package includes 2 removable hooks, and our dedicated customer support ensures your complete satisfaction. Transform your in-car experience with the ultimate 2-in-1 Qi wireless car charger, a revolutionary solution that seamlessly fuses an air vent phone holder with a high-performance wireless charger. Equipped with a built-in intelligent chip, this charger protects your phone from overcharge, overcurrent, short circuits, and high temperatures. Simply press the button to release the clamp, place your device, and watch as it automatically secures and begins charging perfectly, holding even extra-wide phones. Versatile mounting options allow you to attach it to your dashboard, air vent, or window without leaving scratches. If installed via suction, please wait 12 hours for maximum adhesion. Soft, non-slip silicone padding and a 360-degree rotatable ball ensure your phone remains secure on bumpy roads, while the fixed receiver requires proper horizontal placement for optimal charging efficiency and to prevent overheating. Reimagine convenience on the go with our innovative one-handed car trash can, designed to keep your vehicle pristine and odor-free. This versatile 15-ounce trash can features a 3.5-inch opening for easy, one-handed disposal of larger pieces of garbage while preventing unpleasant smells from escaping. Its smart design fits seamlessly in car center cup holders or door storage compartments, ideal for storing sundries, trash, or even a folding umbrella, and it doubles as a compact desktop trash can for your living room or bedroom. Engineered with high temperature resistance and a well-sealed lid, it withstands even burning items without damage. Although the bottom diameter may be smaller than some car cup holders, it still functions perfectly, ensuring reliable, hassle-free use every time.